It's an honor to represent Zrika at this stage today, and it's an honor to present in front of so many people who are well-versed about how the banking system works, how the payment industry works. So here I'm representing Zrika, which is, for people, it is just an year-old company, but we are a company with 100 years of experience. And what makes me say that? Because we have a core team. On an average, they are having experience of more than 15 to 16 years in payment and fintech. So let me take you to how we are going to build future of payments with banks together. I'll take a very short time to introduce myself. So it's my 19th year in the banking and payment industries. And I started as a banker, so I definitely can connect with all of you. Started as a banker, worked with the banking, multiple firms like Kotak, ING, and HDFC for 10 years. And later, I'm into payment, worked with companies, majority of payment and PG companies. So I also got the opportunity to represent, to lead the global projects, be it on the prepaid multi-currency wallet solutions or the switch implementation. So now, moving on to first thing first, Zrika. So I'm sure everybody must be curious that what does this name mean? Zrika is not a regular word which you get to hear a lot. So we wanted to keep a brand name in such a way that it can connect our tradition, roots of our tradition to the future. So Zrika is derived from the name Shrika, which means Lakshmi, wealth, abundance. And to create a futuristic event, we added the Z effect to it, and hence the name is Zrika. So we want to build a product which is about clarity, abundance, and prosperity. So we are creating zero friction, zoomed-in intelligence, and Zrika's commitment to next-gen infrastructure. So when we talk about next-gen infrastructure, we also want to keep our tradition rooted, well-rooted in our values, in our day-to-day operations, because we understand that trust is the base of any technology as well. It cannot be a separate thing. So we all are aware about how India's digital payment market is working right now. It is going by $1 trillion of it. The UPI transactions are increases. The merchant base is increasing. And we know the potential is great. It's all about us to be prepared to handle this market. The market is big enough to all of us, for all the banks, because the pie is so big that share of pie is there for each and everyone. The infrastructure is ready, the demand is real, and what you as a bank need is the speed, scale, and security. We have the agility. So we don't want to become just a partner for just a TSP or a program manager for you. We want to act as a partner. We want to be a partner for your growth, for your revenue generation, and your scalability and infrastructure development. So let's see what are the major roadblocks as a bank which you face. Sometimes it's about the legacy core banking system, regulatory requirements and frequent updates, delays in launching new payment products, and lack of fraud detection methods and system. And trust me, we take care of everything, whatever is mentioned here. We take care of your headache because we know these are your pain areas. And we just want you to focus on client relationship, managing day-to-day operation, and leave everything to us. So here, I'm going to brief about our sixth product, which is ZRAI, which is our merchant paying solution, ZRIVA, our merchant payout solution, ZConnect, which is our connected banking solution, ZRAI Switch, which is our own switch, ZRAI Crest, where we talk about the expense management, the corporate expense management, and ZRAI Tech, which is our tech arm. So ZRAI is our merchant acquiring solution where we enable bank to become or to act as a payment aggregator. So our intention is to give control back to bank. Earlier, the control used to be with bank where they had the complete access of the merchant, what kind of transactions are happening, what is the pattern and everything. But slowly because of multiple program manager or TSP or PCs coming into the picture, that control has gone. And now through our solution, we are giving that power back to merchant and we are going to be at the back end taking care of their infrastructure technology part. So this basically runs on the UPI rails. It's a UPI acquiring model for merchants. Then there is Riva, which is our trustee-based payout. Here we take care of the merchant payments. So it's one-to-many concept. It can be for the vendor payments, for the salary reimbursement, and as per the requirement of your merchant. Then ZConnect is our connected banking platform. So this, which unifies the merchant financial operation in one dashboard. So we also, because we know that bank and customer, bank and your merchant are interrelated. It's a symbiotic relationship. If your merchant is happy, bank is going to be happy, and vice versa. So we have a connected banking platform which take care of the merchant's day-to-day operation. It provides the dashboard to have an overall view that how the transactions are going on. Then there is Rise Switch, which is our UPI M-Pay switch, which is designed for the banks that lack their own payment risk. So as I said in the beginning, that we want you to just be carefree, just focus on your client relationship, on your day-to-day transaction, and leave every technological headache to us. So I can say that we are acting as a Saradon to you, or as a pain reliever for you. Then Zrai Crest. It's a corporate card, it's an expense management card. So we are coming with a new concept. We are coming with something which will completely change how we currently look into the expense management card through a credit card or through a metal card. So it's a one step behind metal card, one step ahead from the metal card, and when we connect offline, I can give more details about it. And then there is Zritech, So Zritech is a very interesting product which I really feel that it's the need of the hour, because what we think that sometimes the merchants, the bank merchants are in requirement of some technology development, some product development, or even banks, they also need some additional tech requirement. So we at Zritech, through our Zritech solution, we take care of it. So we can develop a solution if it is required by your merchant. And if in any way it can also give you the profit. So how does this ZConnect work? So disconnected system means disconnected growth. Fragmented system, delays in payment, settlement, and reporting. How we are managing it. So even the problem of manual reconciliation, costly error-prone, time-consuming. Blind to fraud, no real-time cross-channel detection. Complaint gaps, incomplete audit trail, risk aware penalties. And at the end, poor experience, slow onboarding, delay payout, and merchant churn.
Introducing ZConnect, a next-gen connected banking solution exclusively for banks and merchants. Getting started is simple. Merchants can sign up with their email or phone number, authenticate with an OTP, and set a secret password. Once logged in, the intuitive dashboard welcomes you with quick access to key features like bank accounts, collections, disbursements, reports, and more. Your profile, notifications, and settings are in the top right corner. Link multiple bank accounts seamlessly and view a consolidated balance across them for complete financial visibility. Gain actionable insights with automated expense analysis and cost breakdowns, helping you make informed business decisions. Plus, you can discover our tailored cross-sell solutions, offering relevant financial products that align with your business needs, all within a single, unified dashboard. Your profile section is your command center. Update personal details, add your business details, including tax information, and link your current accounts, enable two-factor authentication seamlessly through our connected banking model. Efficiently manage your team by adding members, assigning roles, and customizing permissions. Tailor roles for accounting, operations, or finance, ensuring everyone has the access they need. View your linked current accounts, check balances, and monitor cash flow with interactive graphs. Don't have an account yet? No problem. Our digital account opening journey lets you seamlessly open a new account with our partner banks. Simplify payments with our revenue and expense stream feature. Generate invoices, payment links, QR codes, and even customized payment buttons. For disbursements, make single or bulk payouts. Schedule them for future. Upload vendor bills and generate e-receipts, all with just a few clicks. Download detailed reports like account statements, profit and loss summaries, and tax payments in PDF, Excel, or CSV formats. Integrate seamlessly with popular accounting tools like QuickBooks and Zoho Books for a streamlined workflow. For developers, access API documentation, generate API keys, and set up webhooks for seamless integrations. And if you ever need help, our support team is just a ticket away. Z-Connect, powering connected banking for a smarter tomorrow.
So this was just a trailer that how the connected banking works for the merchant. And I'm sure it has given you some idea about what we are exactly saying or committing here. We are going to definitely get it done for you. So it's going to come exactly same way. Any kind of customization is also can be done according to bank's merchant need and bank's need. Now I would like you to take a look to our FRM solution, which is Rise Shield. This solution was recently launched in GFF by the hands of Mr. Sunil Shetty, who's our brand ambassador. Mr. KL Rahul could not be there because of other commitments, but we had a very grand launch and we got a very good response about Rise Shield, our FRM. So I would like you to see the video of how does it work. So in the interest of time, I'm just skipping this slide because we are all aware that how the frauds are increasing now, what kind of impact it has on the bank on day-to-day operations.
Introducing Zrai Shield, a next-gen AI-powered fraud risk management solution designed for today's digital-first banks, businesses, and payment facilitators. It starts right from onboarding. Track total applicants, check their KYC status, and see product-wise onboarding progress, all in a single view. Need to address exceptions? It's simple. Manage KYC issues and monitor pending customer onboardings within the same dashboard. Zrai Shield brings every layer of risk intelligence into one clean, powerful dashboard. Spot high-risk transactions, fraud alerts, flagged accounts, and pattern anomalies at a glance across all products and payment instruments like credit card, debit card, savings account, current account, loans, payment, or wallet, and more. Need critical alerts? Risk Intel shows rule-based critical alerts and AI/ML-based critical alerts for fast action. Manage cases smartly from Investigation Center. Track, review, and assign in seconds. Track all risks and stats with the Risk Console, from true positives to detection times. What makes it unstoppable is AI. Handle everything like a pro with AI insights, available in every corner. Get complete access to your web intelligence, fast, focused, and in real time. See how many crawls were initiated, how many succeeded, and how long each one took instantly. Spot red flags faster with the Crawling Risk Index, and stay alert with the top critical crawls right in front of you. All the signals you need, no noise, no delays. But wait, that's not an end. Create your own personalized space with data customized exactly to what you need. At the core of Zrai Shield is an evolving brain built on real-world data, transaction patterns, merchant profiles, and customer behaviors. Start with a powerful library of pre-built battle-tested rules, or create your own with AI or ML models that continuously learn, adapt, and suggest new ones to stay ahead of fraud. Need control? Create or modify your rules to suit your needs. Once your rules are set, Create your risk engine by selecting from pre-built rules, applying conditions, setting thresholds, assigning scores, and running tests. No code, no clutter, just intelligence. The risk engine reads actions in real time, spotting anomalies and red flags instantly. Built for scale and tuned for accuracy, always keeping you one step ahead. Every transaction tells a story, and Zrai Shield reads it in real time. In just 300 milliseconds, it analyzes key data points and delivers a final risk output with an aggregated score and AI-driven suggestions. It supports both pre-auth to block risky transactions instantly and post-auth flows for refunds after investigation. From a single screen, you can report, reject, and approve, or file an STR with one click. Zrai Shield doesn't just block fraud, it helps you understand it. From historical trends and smart summaries to real-time data, you get full visibility into fraud patterns, risk hotspots, and system performance. See which rules trigger most. Spot anomalies by region, merchant type, or channel. Drill down, zoom in, and export your data in the format that works for you. And if you want a custom view, just filter, sort, and export exactly how you want it. Because smarter defense starts with deeper insight. Meet Zrai AI, your real-time fraud analyst, built right into the Shield. Ask it anything. Why a transaction was blocked, what triggered a rule, how a merchant is trending, or even to generate a report. Zrai AI replies instantly with insights, context, and action-ready answers. It learns from every case, evolves with every trend, and keeps your team ahead of every threat. Because with Zrai AI, fraud analysis isn't just smarter, it's conversational. Take charge of your risk ops like never before. Zrai Shield lets you define roles, set permissions, and map your entire team to the way your business works. Create access controls that mirror your org structure, assign roles to employees, and control who investigates, approves, or escalates. And when cases come in, Zrai Shield automatically routes them to the right people, based on role, priority, or workload. It's fast, secure, and built for precision. Because when everyone knows their role, nothing slips through the cracks. Zrai Shield, powering connected banking for a smarter tomorrow.
So this is what I exactly meant when we say that we are giving control back to bank. So it's as per the bank, as per bank's requirement, and you can define the rule engine, you can define that how the next transaction or next fraud should be detected. So yes, actions speak louder than words, and just wanted to show through actions that what exactly I mean when I say we are giving the control back to the bank. So yes, at the end, AI is not just a tool, it's a banking revolution, and we strongly believe that technology will always help. It's all about how we are going to use it, how we are going to implement. It's going to change the face of our banking and payment industry for sure. And it's all up to the bank to partner with someone who understands the technology, who understands its replication, at the same time its advantage. And for you, Zrika is here, where we strongly believe that yes, AI is the way.
How many financial decisions today are made by machines? Not just any machines, intelligent systems that learn, predict, and act faster than humanly possible. At Zrika, we're not just adopting AI, we're redefining finance with it. In a world where fraud evolves by the millisecond, where compliance demands precision, and where customers expect perfection, legacy systems fall short. Zrika's AI doesn't react, it anticipates. Machine learning models trained on millions of data points detect fraud before it happens. Generative AI transforms onboarding from days to just mere hours. Neural networks optimize routing for zero downtime. Our technology isn't a feature, it's the foundation. Meet Zrai Shield, an AI that thinks like a fraudster and outsmarts them. Predictive analytics, real-time decisioning, regulatory-grade compliance, all working silently behind every transaction. This is expense management reimagined. No paper receipts, no manual reconciliation. Performance redefined speed isn't just about processing, it's about accuracy at scale. Zrika's AI ensures payments with 0.001% error rate. AML checks that adapt to new threats instantly. APIs so seamless they feel like magic. We democratize fintech, giving even small-scale banks the same firepower as giants. Imagine a single platform where every financial operation, payments, fraud risk management, reporting and analytics, expenses, fleet and petty cash is unified, intelligent and self-optimizing. This is finance, upgrade. The question isn't, can AI transform banking? It's, can you afford to wait? Let's build the future together.
So thank you so much for your time, and I hope this has given you certain clarity on how we work and what we want to do with the banks. So for yes, sir. As a,
It has to be win-win situation for both the merchants and the banks,
correct,
Albert banks like us.
correct. So
How-
we
how
are
it is working. I'll cite one more example. Suppose
Yes, sir.
you are aggregating the merchants across the country.
correct,
Maybe a merchant in Lucknow, how he is benefited by opening an account in my bank that is in Kerala.
correct.
Where is the win-win?
Sir, the entire thing is, see, as of now, I'm not a payment aggregator. But I understand what exactly payment aggregator are doing with the bank. And when I say what exactly, so first is about the control, and second is about the commercial model. So there is definitely something, a commercial model, which is defined between me and the merchant, which is actually attracting the merchant to work along with the bank, who can not only give them a good service, but at the same time, it's benefiting them from the point of view of commercial and revenue generation. So that's the situation, sir. Any more questions on that? Perfect. So if you have any questions, our booth is right there at the entrance, and we would be looking forward to connect with each one of you. And really happy to be at Mysore in presence of all the senior people from banking industry. It's an honor. Thank you so much once again. Namaskara.